happening? Welcome to today's video. So, went out and bought some new wheels for the S3 on a bit of a whim. I was never ever going to change them, but really good price, and I think it really suited the car. So, hopefully you guys like them as well. So these are obviously my original S3 wheels. Took them off. Goodyear F1 tyres all around. No cracks, no buckles, no nothing. So if anyone's interested in buying them, drop me a message and I can give you some more details. They will be on eBay as well. So enjoy the rest of the video.
Only issue on them, slightest bit of curb rub here, curb rub, curb rash, and a little bit dirt. Apart from that, they're all good. I've cleaned them best as I can. I can't be arsed getting all this brake up stuff. I hate cleaning cars, but looking good, going for sale. Get this on the channel soon as well. Get it going. Yes, MP, what's happening? So, got some new wheels for the S3 now. Obviously cleaned up all the old ones, they're ready to go for sale if anyone wants them. So we've gone for 1552s on the car now. Formula GT they're called, 19 inch, so gone up an inch now, and 8.5J all round, whereas the ones before were 7.5J. So I've kept all the spaces on as well, so we've actually got 15 on the rear still, and we've got 12 on the front, so it's quite good if you ask me. I've had a lot of people compliment them. I mean, it's not everyone's cup of tea. I like them. I've never really been a fan of black wheels either, but I think they suit the car really well. So let me know what you think. You know, any other ideas you want to do, let me know. If you want the wheels, let me know. Got some more videos coming up soon. Running costs of stage 2, how much the stage 2 the car, my car history, loads of things. So stay tuned and enjoy the next bit of the new wheels, people.